The Chariot, the iconic all-terrain vehicle from the 1960s sci-fi television series Lost in Space, was more than just a prop. It was a fully functional machine that played a central role in bringing the show's futuristic world to life. Filmed from 1965 to 1968, Lost in Space imagined a future Earth of 1997 suffering from overpopulation. The Robinson family, part of a colonization mission aboard the Jupiter 2, crash-landed on alien worlds, where the Chariot served as their primary land transport. The Chariot was built atop a real Thiokol Spryte Snowcat, a tracked snow vehicle originally designed for Arctic exploration. Thiokol Corporation, founded in 1929, was better known for its work in chemical production and military rocketry before entering the snow vehicle market in the 1950s. The Sprite, used as the Chariot's base, was powered by a 170 cubic inch inline-six Ford engine producing 101 horsepower. It had a 4-speed manual or automatic transmission, depending on the model, plus reverse, and featured stick controls with 2 vertical levers in place of a steering wheel. Despite being designed for snow, the Chariot never saw snow in filming. It instead navigated desert landscapes such as the Pinnacles in California. For the show, the Snowcat's original body was removed and replaced with a custom-built transparent cabin made from plexiglass mounted on a metal frame. Designed to evoke a futuristic family truckster, the Chariot included a seismograph, radar, a radio, and even a fictional laser weapon system. Though its amphibious capabilities were mentioned in the series, the real vehicle was not waterproof. On set, it doubled as a transport vehicle for cast and crew between scenes. After the show ended, the original Chariot was returned to its original purpose. Its custom body was abandoned, and the chassis reverted to a functioning Snowcat. Decades later, Lost in Space fan Chris Tietz discovered the rusting remains of the Chariot body near a ski resort in Big Bear, California. Recognizing its significance, he transported it to his home in the San Fernando Valley and began a restoration effort. Tietz also launched a dedicated Lost in Space collectibles project to honor the series' legacy. In 2015, another faithful Chariot replica was created by John Antonellis and his team in Boston using original blueprints from 20th Century Fox. This version was based on a vintage Sprite chassis, carefully restored and modified to match the original show vehicle, even incorporating remote controls for use on miniature sets. The Chariot remains a symbol of the golden age of sci-fi television, one of the few fully operational Hollywood props that combined form and function. Its blend of retro aesthetics and rugged engineering continues to captivate fans and inspire restorers decades after it first rolled across alien worlds on black and white screens.